How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from phone. If you want to delete photos from Google Photos but you don't want them to be deleted from your phone, then follow these steps. Google Photo only stores your photos if you have the backup and sync option turned on Google Photos. So you will need to turn off that option to delete them from Google Photos. Open Google Photos on your device. Now here you will need to open your profile settings. For that, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. That will open this kind of menu. On this menu, at the bottom section, you should see an option called Google Photos Settings. Click on it. When you do that, then you will land to this page. Click on Backup at the top and turn off the backup option. By turning off backup option, now your phone's gallery and Google Photos are no more connected. This means that whatever changes you do in Google Photos won't affect your gallery. Now go back to the Google Photos main interface and select the photo you would like to delete. Click on the trash option and select delete. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.